So we're just going to get this up and going. I'm gonna watch this on here.
If you're interested in.
I want the Bluetooth on this. Can't wait to get my Mac. So we have that. And this. So we first need to the death of can't wait for my Mac. Holy hell. Tired of these random stupid window updates. Install Polaris. Yes, no, maybe so. Installing. There we go. And we have it installed using Vim, which is new to me still, but we'll figure it out. And we'll pull Git or Google up just in case we need it for questions and answers and stupid shit like that. I do need to pull the data though. Where's my docs? I think that's in my downloads. Cars, yesterday, resources, weather. And we'll just throw it in there. So we have that. Got my coffee. We have this. We have that. Gummies. Hey, so I need to create a gather data into Python. So we do a df equals I need an import Polaris as PL, and then with that you do the data frame equals what was it? PL read CSV, and it would be just the weather. .csv, and then you print the df, Control Shift 10 to run, and pull it up, and you have the column. So awesome. If you want to do that, and first 5, not that first 5, data points df dot head df, and then equals head, and then you'll print tune. No, what was that? That. Nothing goes in the brackets. So in this one, we're going to point of course to get both months I went ahead of the program or video a little bit by getting the data loaded in. So create new cows, create missing values, into a new file. Already did that. So first thing is to fill in missing values. So no. Values is df equals df dot width temperature So with that, you can take the old DF and transforms it into a new DF. So when you run print with DF, we'll just get rid of crap. Still trying to get used to the whole Vim thing and not use my cursor as much or mouse. Control Shift 10. So with the NOR events, no. I need the whole damn thing. So it needs to show all 13 and it's not showing all 13. On number 6.6, and of course it's so we can access certain rows. Rows like this. DF row. Not 6. And then 10. And it comes up as oh 5. 0 0, so it is showing. And then Vim copy line. You must press 2P instead of P. So we'll get back to this. Escape. No. Nope. A. Print. Son of a bitch. If you want to copy a whole line, oh, Y, and then, oops, and then inserts, to slice and view rows 2 to 5. So instead of this, it would be slice 2, 5, and then Control Shift 10, and I'm going to show rows 2 through 5, which is the 4 and 8. So you can do more, so pl.cal, and this cal will be humidity with the .fill null, and put in, I guess, 40. So if you do that, what row? 11. Control, really want to stop doing that. Humidity is 40. So with that, that was a 02, 07, so 31 null, and then 5, which is showing 40 right here. And then 7 is missing the temp, which it's not now. But everyone's got a wind speed, so that's fine. And if the IPL.cal wind speed? Yeah. Wind speed is missing, then I want you to fill null that to 4.5. And then stop using the keyboard or mouse. But nothing in wind speed. Oh. Shit. I was gonna say you could do that. So crap. Control Z. Of 0 could do missing. So temp mean is that, and to get the mean, I forget how to do that. Add the numbers and then divide by however many numbers there are. So they're all what? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. So you would add the sum. Let's see how he does it. So it's just the bracket and then the column, temperature, and then dot mean, and then print temp mean. Is 29.39, and then you want to round that. Round. Or so then this. Oh shit. How do you yank multiple lines? Multiple lines with them. Huh. Intersection, no. Oh no. Yank. 3 Ys. So in here. Nope. And then delete, and then paste. Shit. And then with this, you fill in temp mean with that. And then humidity mean is equal to df dot humidity dot mean humid. And if there was one for a wind, mean is equal to df dot humidity or wind speed equals mean. And then this would be a wind mean. And then you do Control Shift 10, 5, 3, but I want to get the decimals to that, so to get to des points in Python, and that is geeks to geek is where I like to find my, so you just go to right round select one word and then under cursor you can use this. Nope. I round. No. To so 2. So if that's right, ha! It did it. Round that, and then come 2, and then round. Once I get used to this whole Vim thing, it should be a lot easier. Oops. Needs to be inside brackets. So now we're going to delete, and delete. Insert, print. We're just going to do df right now. New cal. So same as before, you're going to override the last, and then with so temperature minus temp mean what the hell? Why didn't I guess this isn't a standard. So one print there and another print here. Dot aliases. So what does that do? So that so this is creating, so the alias or whatever is what's going to be the new column name. If I can spell, it's going to be the new name. So this expression is in the columns rather than the whole thing, but then you have one expression right there, and then you have another expression right here. So if you do print df now, you should have temp diff then you will also want a round, so round this and this, and then with a 2, which should round does not like it at all. Shit, I rounded it around the wrong one. 2. That's what I did. No, I didn't. Why is it not allowing that to do? I want the round. Okay, so another way around that is you get rid of that. So I could just round it from there, then I won't have to have this. No, actually, I can just do it right here. It should work right here then. If it's not gonna work there, then we'll round it right here. And it works right there. So it's the temp mean that we're rounding, not we don't round the whole damn thing. Dummy. So you want that. Then another df equals df dot with columns, and then it'd be a po dot cal, and then inside that is humidity, right? Nope. Okay, you can get rid of that stupid thing. Thank you. And then minus round. And then you'd be humid to the second. Then, oops. And then on the outside will be alias self as humid diff. And then if that's right, it should add the column to humid diff. And then for the last one, it's rewrite over the last as df dot with columns. Add in this dot po. Shit. Cal. Comma. And then this is going to be the wind speed. The minus round. Wind mean to the second. And then alias for wind diff. Control Shift 10, and then shows all that. So now we're creating pivot tables. Nope. Table is so first store okay. Pause it real quick. Alright, now we have to get the month. So how do you do that? So the same as a above, but then you would have to do so months. So I like to type it out as this because just find it better for me. DF with columns, and then you don't need two of them, so PL cow, and then date. So that, treat it as a string, and then so with this slice 5 on 2, so it's because it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then it's going, and then the int 32 I dot cast int, oh no, po dot int 32 month. So you have a new column. So with this, it's basically just casting. What's cast? Oh, a control shit. Cast Python. Casting. Done this as an integer. So if writes I321122, but it don't do nothing. It don't show the month. Oh, okay. So the egg, because it multiplies the whole thing, and temperature. start now. Give me a minute. So this needs another dot alias, and this is going to be average temp month. And then, so if that's the case, then the PIV here. Okay, I screwed up. And I think I know where I screwed up at too. Huh? I think. So we're gonna redo this whole bloody line. Dot mean. And then temperature. And then alias as the average temperature. And then if you do that and that, hey, now how would you round that? Because I hate more than one freaking two numbers. Could you round it like this to this as 2? Or does Python not like that? Python does not like that. So that is not the case. Taken. I'll have to figure that one out. I mean, you could you just round it like this? So rounded PIV df equals round PIV div with 2. Does that? Nope. No, I don't like that. Okay, so for right now, we can just do this and just delete this whole line. Not happy with it. And then just to write would be the whole PIV div.write CSV to PIV table temperature dot CSV not B, and then it shows up in here. So, we're gonna end it right there with that. Kind of like the polar data frame structure more than I do pandas. I've gasped it a lot faster than I have with pandas. I am taking the Udemy course. I'm already 21 sections into this whole thing. I decided to start video myself with this, so on section 21, and I'm doing this out of my comfort zone, so be interesting to see what happens with this. I'm starting to really understand this Python stuff, and I'm also using Vim, so on top of learning Python, so it's been fun. So stay tuned for part 2 of the section 21 of the data analyst and visual section.